Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to schedule recurring events in Dola AI in 2026. Recurring events are useful when you have activities that happen regularly, such as weekly meetings, classes, workouts, appointments, or regular project updates. Instead of creating the same event again and again, you can set it up as a recurring schedule. First, open Dola AI and make sure your calendar is connected. Then create a new event using a natural language message. For example, you can say, schedule a team meeting every Monday at 10 a.m. for 1 hour. Dola can interpret the recurring pattern and prepare the event based on the information you provide. You can also specify other repeating schedules. For example, you might say, create a workout every Wednesday and Friday at 6 p.m. The important thing is to clearly describe the days and time you want the activity to repeat. You can include the event duration as well. For example, you could say, schedule a weekly study session every Sunday at 8 p.m. for 2 hours. This gives the calendar enough information to organize the event properly. Before confirming the recurring event, carefully review the schedule. Check the event title, starting date, time, duration, and repetition pattern. Make sure the event is repeating on the days you actually want. If your plans change later, you can edit or remove the recurring event through the available calendar controls or supported Dola commands. Be careful when modifying recurring events because changes may affect multiple future occurrences. Recurring schedules are especially helpful for routines. You can use them for weekly team meetings, monthly appointments, regular study sessions, exercise routines, or other activities